Happy birthday, Cheryl! We love you!
Happy birthday, Cheryl Santos. I miss you. Happy birthday!
Hello, Mommy Cheryl. Made a short video for you to greet you. Happy birthday. God bless you. Stay healthy. Always safe, of course. Alam ko naman medyo masama ang panahon dyan. But nevertheless, I wish you to enjoy your beautiful day. Today's your birthday. Another number for your year. Pero it's part of our growth and maturity. I miss you all. Ikaw at yung mga bata. And hopefully we'll be together very, very soon. Maybe here or somewhere else. Pero I love you all. Bye!